Hello everyone. This is a mobile smart memo that designed. It consists of two parts. One part is Bluetooth development board. The other part is the screen. Its resolution is 1024*600. And then there is a mobile phone. This phone is not part of this system, but there is an app in it. And then it synchronizes the contents of the memo. Now let's turn it on and take a look. The first thing displayed is a QR code and an MAC address. This MAC address is the Bluetooth MAC address. The QR code scans the content of the Bluetooth MAC address. No scanning here. Here we directly use the mobile app to connect the Bluetooth. First click on the app. Then select the mobile smart memo. Then the connection will be displayed. The interface will automatically jump after connecting. There is no memo record here. We had events that need to be recorded, such as welding two boards. The time will be displayed on it. That's the time of the day's name. Another example, capacitor flying wires. We can record more. For example, be happy today. Be happy tomorrow. And be happy every day. Let's write a few more so that we can display 2 pages. Here I write number 1. Write number 2. Write number 3. This will display 2 pages. And then, here, we wrote a rough record. Then here we can switch the corresponding page. For example, we want to delete a certain record. We can delete it with our mobile phone or delete it on the screen. When we directly use this screen to delete, we directly click this control to delete. Similarly, it was also deleted on the mobile phone. Delete the record from the mobile phone now. At the same time, the records on the screen are also charging. On mobile phone, long press, and a pop-up window will appear showing whether to confirm. Here, it cannot be called deletion, it should be called completion. Click to confirm. The records on the screen will change accordingly. When we exit, the content will be saved. If you can't find the software, you can search for it by name. You can see that the content has been saved. When exit the app and then enter it again, the content is still there. The purpose of doing this is that as an electronic engineer, each electronic has its own workbench. When it is inconvenient for us to look at the mobile phone, the mobile phones will automatically connect to this. After receiving it on the screen, you can see the memo recording same notes on the workbench. The overall combination of 3 things. The design is a large, but the effect is good. And the synchronization speed is also very fast. You can see that the screen will be synchronized immediately. And when you exit, the screen will immediately return to the main interface. When not in use, the screen is off. But when you press the screen, it lights up immediately. Bluetooth does not consume power by default, because Bluetooth is a PLE low-power Bluetooth. That's it for the overall design. Thank you all for watching.